Hello, my name is Marianne Azamas and I'm the Business Relationship Manager at SkyTrust. You may be aware that SkyTrust is the platinum sponsor for this Workplace Health and Safety 2020 virtual series. So I thought I would take a few minutes to share with you who we are and what we do best. SkyTrust is a cloud-based risk management software product. We also have an app that you can download to enable you to report incidents, hazards and complete inspections offline. This is very useful, especially if you're working in remote areas and you have no connectivity, but are still able to capture information at that point in time. Our company has been operating for 14 years and SkyTrust as our leading product was developed 8 years ago. We are an Australian company based in Adelaide. Our office is actually located in a previous art gallery, which we have maintained with existing artwork. SkyTrust is built on 3 fundamental principles: efficiency, alignment and affordability. Efficiency, because you've got instant access. Alignment, we align to the international standards. And affordability, so SkyTrust is actually priced on the size of your company. Some of the key features of SkyTrust enable you to prepare, prevent and protect. By preparing, you can streamline your business with SkyTrust. You have a visual dashboard. Preventing through incident reporting instantly, and looking at your maintenance recording and when services are due. And you can protect by making inspections a breeze using the app or on the web, and doing audits as well. So why is SkyTrust a preferred platform for our clients? It really comes down to the fact that it's a one-stop shop for all your compliance needs. As you can see, there are many features that the platform covers, and it all ties into the one complete package. The other much liked offer our clients experience is a 3-month trial. We offer SkyTrust at no cost, no obligation, no lock-in contracts. So if you want to come on a journey with us, we will set up your platform as if you have subscribed, and the setup is pretty simple. So the initial setup is really easy. We provide you with some spreadsheets to upload your data into the platform. The first one that we provide you with is the HR employee. So all you need to do is populate this list from your payroll system. We then provide the information through that system back into the platform. We also will do a historical incident upload for you. So that way you can actually see historically what's been happening on the dashboard and looking at your performance over a period of time. The next spreadsheet we will provide you is plant and equipment. So you can upload all your asset into that register and then we will provide you with the upload into the platform. And the final one is your company details. So all the details relating to the company, your logo, contact information, etc. will be uploaded, ready to go. So once we've uploaded your data, you're ready for the deployment stage. We provide you with dedicated administrator training and help you through these steps. 3 key steps that we will take you through are the user groups. So initially we'll help you assign the user groups to the different individuals who will be using SkyTrust. This allows you to determine who can see and do what according to their role or the tasks that they need to have access to within SkyTrust. The next stage is the risk matrix. So we have a risk matrix which is configurable to suit your company needs. You can modify this risk matrix. It does align to ISO 31000, so it would be fairly similar in most environments. And then the final deployment stage is the email recipients. So we go through the process of helping you set up your email notifications so you can determine who will be notified from the system when something occurs. Once you're all set up, you have the opportunity to put the platform to the test over the 3-month period. But we don't leave you alone through this time. At SkyTrust, we pride ourselves with our dedicated customer service. Our sales team works very closely with you during the trial and engages with you to ensure you get the most benefits of the trial. Once you join us as a client, our customer service and support does not stop there. We have a dedicated customer support team who are always available to help you. So just like all our existing clients experiencing the benefits of using SkyTrust in their company, we would love to have your logo listed here as well. So feel free to connect with us either through the chat room available at today's session, shoot us an email or give us a call to book your demo and set up a trial. Thanks for your time and have a great day.